Okay, here we have water running down this valley. The detail here, which is what all the roofs in Village Walk are like. And this needs to have a flashing in here to kick the water back up on top of this tile, so no water gets underneath. Now I'll show you what's happening. Take this tile away, you can see all that water going underneath this roof. And it goes down there, and it all kicks back up behind that bird stop that can't get out, and that's what causes all these leaks. So your new roof needs to have a flashing in here, up under this valley, kick it back up on top of this tile, so none of this water comes in. And let all that water goes, and it gets down to the bottom of this roof and can't get out, and that's trying to get out that tile there. It's getting caught behind the bird stops, those concrete beams. These things underneath the bottom there. You can even see it now spilling out there. It can't get out. That bird stop there is right hard into there. There should be a space in there for this water to come out. Now I'll show you what it's meant to be like.